Bella didn't get her honey bun yesterday, so she come running for it today.
She met us at the gate today.
Yeah. You wasn't going to miss it today, was you? Bella, it's not going to be long till you have a baby.
Rafiki's coming. 2 weeks to daylight savings time.
Oh, I'm getting so excited.
Rafikals. Woolie's waiting patiently.
Rafiki, we seen your half-brother across the road. I think Rafiki's prettier, though, don't you? Or more handsome. I guess it's just because he's our.
Woolie.
But I think he's so pretty.
You want some little squeak meister? Yeah. You ain't gonna get a treat every time we stop.
Yeah, well, he's in a very bad habit of thinking he's going to get a treat every time we stop. Look at Izzy. You're not going to follow us around all over the field and get a treat.
Piglet. Same ones, Pig and 22. Hey, Charlotte.
This is Sadie.
Sadie Lou Who. Now, Nazareth?
Why she got a little white on her nose?
She's got white on her nose and inside her ears.
Is those white hairs, or is that just a white rubbery nose?
It was real white. No, this is above her nose.
Oh.
They were real bright when she was born.
Oh, she's cute.
Who's down here? I see somebody.
What is today, the 24th? Or 22nd? I can't remember, but anyways.
It's Monday, the something.
Yeah, around March.
Last week of the month.
Around March the 16th or 17th is when the babies will start coming. So,
Daylight savings times 2 days, or a day from yesterday. 2 weeks from yesterday.
yeah, and if we don't get some of this mess cleaned up, we'll never find the babies in here.
Oh, I gotta get that grapple on and get some of this stuff moved.
Their moms will hide them in here, won't they? And then they might get stuck in there.
Yeah. You're a good girl. I can't believe Nazareth stayed up there.
Yeah, we had him some bread and we forgot to get it. I don't know if Long Tongue likes bread or not, but Bella loves bread. Bella and Connie likes it.
Goodness,
Easy,
Long
give her
Tongue.
another one. She walked all the way up that hill.
But she didn't walk 10 feet.
She didn't walk 10 feet for just a treat or two.
I don't know how I'm going to get them trees out of that pond. Because they ain't broke off far enough. I guess I'll have to stand in the water and chainsaw them the rest of the way off.
But ain't that deep right there?
No, not right there.
Oh.
That other corner is the deep corner. Or used to be. It's probably so full of seals that it ain't even deep anymore. Oh. Give me a minute, girl. I'll quit that.
Don't have to put hay out today because you filled it up yesterday.
Yeah, I really figured they'd eat more than that. But they didn't. They eat one roll up.
Now Izzy is laying down up here. Don't disturb her. Just don't make her get up.
Oh, Nina, you ain't had any.
And don't let them run. Now Izzy's gonna get up because they're coming.
I'll try to move, but well, I'll have to back up or not. I'll walk right over top of them.
Yeah.
Keep back up past your fat belly, Bella.
Rose is laying
I might give him another now.
protein tubs. I don't know how you're going to get out of this situation. Can't back up for Bella and then can't go forward. Can you make it?
If I can make it. Can I pet you? You're not very friendly. Neither one of these.
No, she's not. It's not that she's not friendly. She's shy. I love her eyes. She's got really pretty eyes.
Granny's pigs, Mama.
I can see that, can't you?
Yep.
So that's Woolie's grandma. Wait, no.
Well, you know relation to pig.
Yeah. At 17, I was thinking of Sophie.
Yeah, I ain't give her a treat today. She must be on the lower side of that feeder. I don't know what I'm going around there. Probably go. Try to get out.
It's been a very nice day, but the wind's a little cool.
It was much warmer in town. It's like 53, but it's a little breezy here, so it's cool. Alright, if I give you a peppermint, will you let us go without chasing us to the gate? Huh? I brought you a peppermint.
I guess the mouth just works non-stop, don't it?
Especially when he hears this wrapper going. That good?
Tony is way down there. He's got his grapple and he's getting some tree limbs up. I think I might try to get in there, but here comes Nazareth. I'm trying to get these tree limbs up before the babies start coming, because if they get hung up in those limbs, it'll be so much harder for Tony to get to them. I may try to get in here real quick before Nazareth gets up here. Yes, Tony has done a lot. He come up right after work and I stayed home. I had a few things I had to do around the house, and he's only been up here about an hour maybe. He's got a lot done. It's a pretty day today. It's not cold. There's a little cool breeze, but it's not bad. Grapple works a lot faster than we could work by hand. Unreal what damage that ice storm done. We've had ice in the past, but never any like this. Done this much damage. Just burn all of this sometime.
excited when I was up here working. He ran and he...
Oh, really? They've got their eyes on you.
Come here, Connie. Come here, Miss Connie.
Any more days like this, kind of warm, and the grass would start growing, wouldn't it?
Well, you can sure tell the difference in how much they eat by warmer weather.
Yeah. Now don't give her any for just a second. Watch her, she'll start twisting her head.
Twist your head. Twisting your head.
I don't know why she does that. It's cute. Oh, she wants another one. She never really gets many because the other cows bully her.
I haven't even seen Bella.
I don't know where Nazareth went.
Well, like 20, 21 more days till there could be some babies.
Yeah, not long. So exciting. And Tony said he never imagined he would use his grapple.
Yeah, when I bought it, I didn't expect a hurricane and a ice storm both to hit.
So it has definitely come in handy. It's going to come in handy. Ain't got to use it much.
There's Miss Bella. I used it quite a bit after the hurricane, but not like, but I hadn't even cleaned up from it yet.
I gave a few of them a treat as I was headed down.
Have you given Nazareth any treats?
Yeah, I gave him one.
You got a great big giant baby in you again?
Yeah.
Oh, I think he got up.
See, this one right here is the one that has a huge baby. It has for the past 2 years anyway.
Yeah, and the vet said that got to be in her genetics because the bull certainly is a low birth weight bull, and all the other calves is.
Yeah, but she never had them though. And
it's they just mesh. It's their two DNAs together that for some reason. Come here, Bella. Come here, Bella.
Oh, you will run over this cow.
That's a pig. I ain't gonna be able to get Bella hers yet. Here, Bella. Try to hurry before Pig gets over here. You know she'll
Drop the
come.
piece in the floor.
Here comes 22.
Did you drop some of her honey bun on the floor?
It must have been a tiny piece, 'cause you and your little squeaking buddy down here.
Yeah, I tried to pet Melania, and she wouldn't let me.
Did you try to pet Nazareth?
Yeah, he doesn't care. She just don't like you to touch her. She's letting you touch her. Yeah, I don't think she likes it though, does she? Who do you predict will be the first to have a baby? Hard to tell.
I'll give my predictions a little closer to.
Gosh, look, Melania has big ears, don't she? Look how big they are.
Well, tell her it's better to hear you with.
Uh-oh. She wants another one.
Obviously.
They just set need a whole bucket, wouldn't they?
Yeah. I'm going to, where's the rest of her honey bun? Fill in a little piece for the sit.
Did she like it?
Yeah. I'll go get a few more limbs here before the sun gets so I can't see.
Okay. Yeah,
I said all them little ones will have to take a trailer. Are you going to sit here and think you can, or what are you going to do?
I don't know. I may sit here. I'm not sure. Alright, Nazareth. Don't bite. Nazareth keeps begging for treats. We've already had too many. He thinks every time we stop, he's got to have a treat. Oh, he's... Gosh, he's digging up the ground. He's digging up the ground, Nazareth. Goodness. Making a mess.